Hello, friends. I am speaking these words with a very heavy heart. Puneeth Rajkumar is an example human being. Friends, I use the present simple tense here, as I can never afford to think he is no more. He lives in our hearts. His philosophy of life, for sure, is every man who has been born and leading a peaceful and happy life should contribute his best to society. He has 26 orphanages, 15 free schools, 16 old age homes, and 19 goshalas for the poverty-stricken people. I have never been his fan, but I respect and regard him so much as he has been a silent philanthropist. I am lost for words to praise his love for society. ಅವರು ಬರೀ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೇವರು. ಮಾತುಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ. ಮೇ ಹಿಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪೀಸ್.